Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 4, that is verbs and their tenses. Chapter 4, verbs and their tenses. Standard 8. A verb is the most important part of sentence. It generally shows an action. So what is the verb, dear students? Verb is the action we do. Drink, sit, walk, okay, dance. These are the actions. So let us see the examples. I drink a glass of water every morning. So what you are doing? You are drinking a water. That means what is the verb here? Verb. Drink. Drink is a verb. My uncle bought a new car yesterday. So what did drink? Uncle brought a car. What he bought? Buying is a verb. Sania will sing at the concert tomorrow. So will sing is the verb. However, the verb to be and to have various functions. The verb to be, not that, am, is, are, was, were, shall, be, and will be are the conjugated forms to the root verb to be. Read the following examples and understand how the verb has been used. I am unwell. So am is a to be verb. They are careless. He was busy all day. Were you at the airport last night? My friend will be in Paris next week. So these are the to be verbs. In each of the above sentence, the verb to be is conjugated to denote a state of existence of the persons referred to the sentences. The verb to have, not that, have, has, and had are the conjugated forms of the root verb to have. In the following sentence, all the forms of have indicate possession or ownership of something. My friend has many friends. I had no more paper to write. Do you have a dictionary? So have, has, had. These are have verbs. Have is also used to refer to events, activities and experiences. Class 8 has a recess at 9:50 am. My father and I have an appointment with the doctor. We had no trouble in getting home from the picnic. So this have is also used to refer events. However, in some cases, have is used to indicate relationship. Brian has two sisters. They do not have any common sense. I don't have a sibling. So this is to indicate the relationship. Have can also be used to refer to eating or drinking. Derek has dinner with his parents. Have a slice of cheese. What would you like to have? Cold coffee or mixed fruit juice? So you can add this as a referring to the eating also. Sometimes have is also used to refer to a medical physical condition. I have a cold. She always has an allegory to peanuts. My uncle had a heart condition last June. Okay, so these are the have, has, or am, is. Where to use they have told us. Now tenses. The time of action denotes is known as the tense of the verb. There are three tenses depending upon the times of action. They are present, past and future. Each of tenses can be further divided into simple, continuous, that is progressive, and perfect tense, such as we have. First we can take the present tense is divided into four categories. Okay, four tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, also as known as present progressive tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense, also as perfect present perfect progressive tense. First, these as they indicate a universal simple present tense. First we will take the verb in the following sentences are in the simple present tense, as they indicate a universal truth, a habitual action, or an action of that moment. That means simple present tense, it is a simple sentence using no ing, no perfect tense, or it is a simple tense. My mother cooks a meal every day. The train halts at all stations. We bathe with cold water in summer. Alice likes ice cream. Do you prefer tea or coffee? So this is a simple present tense. Let us move to the simple present continuous or progressive tense. This tense is used mainly for the action which is going on the time of speaking but has not been completed. So the little boy is crying. That means here it comes, it's crying, am crying. Okay. I am watching a match. Let us turn to the page. Then they are strolling in the garden. Those birds are chirping merrily. Who is shouting so loudly? So is plus ing is coming in present continuous or present progressive tense. Now let us see the present perfect tense. The tense is used to indicate an action which is just over or completed. She has answered all the questions. The maid has washed. See here how it will come, has plus ed, has plus ed. She has answered. There is a ed after answering. Okay, she has answered all the questions. The maid has washed the clothes. We have booked our train tickets to Pune. The professor has corrected all test papers. Have you seen the clock tower? Note that the present perfect tense is made up of two verbs, the auxiliary verb and the participle form of the main lexical verb. Present perfect continuous tense. The tense is used for an action which began in the past and is still continuing. Gina has been jogging. So here it will come has plus been plus ing. So it is as a progressive present perfect progressive tense. Next, the students have been practicing yoga for an hour. Miss Robinson has been living here for the last 7 years. So has, have, if we have to use a person, we use has, and if we want many people, then we put have. Okay. Now the past tense is divided into 4: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense. Past continuous tense also is known as past progressive tense. Past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense also known as the past perfect progressive tense. Simple past tense. The verb in the following sentences are in the simple past tense. He opened the window. After each verb it will be he did. The passenger screamed at the sight of the fire in the train. My cousin fell and hurt himself. Sanjay sold his iPhone to his friend. Who wrote this message? Okay, so after each verb there will be ending with the ed, ending with ed. Next, past continuous or progressive tense. This tense is used to indicate an action which was going on the past at the certain point of time or over a period. So it will come was and were plus ing. I was ironing the clothes earlier. Eric was playing here yesterday. The teachers were, if it will come many people, the teachers, now many teachers were discussing the matter with the principal. So there are many, since there are many, it will show as were. If it is a person, only one person, it will come was. None was listening to the speaker. Whom were you talking about? So past perfect tense. This tense is used to indicate an action that was already completed at some time in the past. That is, Jack had gone to sleep when his father returned from office. Susan had finished her work before your arrival. Aunt Jane had ordered for these books last week. I had put all the books on the shelf. When had you filled your application in this office? Note that the past perfect tense is made up of two verbs, an auxiliary verb and the participle form of the main lexical verb. The past perfect continuous progressive tense. This tense is used to indicate an action that was going on at some time in the past. It is formed by adding had been before the ing from the word. The student of standard 10th had been practicing, so had plus been plus ing, practicing tennis on the court here. Many people had been waiting at the shore to get a glimpse of the captain. The masons had been working on the skyscraper since a month. Okay, so we are moving to the future tense. The future tense, what is going to happen? It is divided into future simple future tense, future continuous tense, also known as future progressive tense, and future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense, also as known as future perfect progressive tense. So we will take first future tense. The verb in the following sentences are in the simple future tense. Note that shall is used with the pronouns I and we only. Will is used with the promise or a threat. Likewise, will is used with the pronoun and I and we to express willingness, promise or determination. We shall remember that adventure. I shall sell this newspaper later. The chief guest will arrive soon. My brother will return from Singapore on Sunday. The future continuous progressive tense. This tense is used to indicate an action that is expected to continue for some time at a later date, that is in the future. Next Monday, by this time we shall be flying to Manchester. Shortly, Julia will be taking, that means will plus be plus ing, taking up a new assignment in Zurich. So David learnt Lynn will be acting in a new film. The future perfect tense. This tense is used to indicate an action that will be completed by a particular time in future. I shall have completed my assignment tomorrow. My manager will have left by the time you reach there. He will have woken up by the time you go home. So dear friends, we have completed present, past and future. Now for the future tense, there is no future perfect continuous tense. There are only three tenses, that is simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense. Let us move to the exercise number first. They are waiting for the underline the verb forms in the following sentences and state their tenses and aspects. They are waiting for the right winds. So are waiting is in present progressive tense. People were haggling over the price of kites, past progressive tense. Vendors had been selling kites all through the week, had been selling, past perfect progressive tense. Skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills, past perfect tense. State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. So will be organizing will come in future progressive tense. Kite flyers have demonstrated their skills with exotic kites. So have demonstrated present perfect tense. So dear friends, we have completed exercise number 4.A. Now we are moving to exercise number 4.B. Underline the verbs in the following sentences and state their tenses. So dear students, I will only make you to understand 5. Rest all you can do as homework. He had not gone for when a man in the car stopped. Had gone is past perfect tense, stopped simple past tense. I am going to London myself. I am going present progressive tense. Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant. Had fallen past perfect tense. Mr. Fitzwarren and then paid all the money the captain had received for the cat. Paid simple past tense, had received past perfect tense. Then she had learned in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. Had learnt past perfect tense, need simple present tense. So dear friends, we have done exercise number 4.A and B, and rest of the questions I have left you for the homework. Thank you.